Look at this. $6.38 million sitting in my Phantom wallet, all from launching meme coins, not trading them. Forget chasing charts, this is the system that actually prints. A couple months ago, I was a complete meme coin degen. I was trading, I was trenching, I was scanning Memescope, trying to make some money in the trenches. But I used to jump into charts the second they look bullish, okay? I was buying in every single coin I saw, and every single time I got rugged. And that's the complete reality of all these meme coins. And that's exactly when it hit me. The people winning are not traders. They're actually the creators, which means they're the people who are launching and then dumping the coins. Because when you launch, you control the rules. You control the story, the price, and the profits that you make off your coins. You cannot lose anything because it's your token. For example, I launched my coins for completely free because launching coins on the blockchain is basically free. And that's exactly why I love deving coins, because you have completely nothing to lose. Okay, so that's why I went from trading to deving, because now I am the one who can turn $0 into 1k and just repeat that over and over again until I am comfortable. Now I've made enough money, I am making this video to ungatekeep the method and show you guys how it works. Keep watching. And by the way, this whole video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you how the strategy works. Cap! Now, the most common question that I get asked every single day is, where do I make my meme coins? Now, most people think that I make them on Pump.Fun, but that's completely wrong. Because Pump.Fun might be really popular, but it's too noisy. Thousands of coins drop daily, and 99% of all these coins disappear in the noise. It's just too oversaturated. On top of that, your coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to even graduate on the Raydium DEX. That takes too much skill, too much attention, and too much luck. It's basically impossible to make any type of money if you're a beginner. And that's exactly why a bunch of people are switching to Create Tokens.io, because on Create Tokens.io, you skip the noise. Your coin launches directly to Raydium, which means it will be immediately graduated onto the Raydium DEX, and your coin will show up live for buyers right away to trade. In fact, your coin will reach tens and thousands of potential traders. That's the beauty of the Raydium DEX. You keep full control, it's your liquidity, your profit, and your launches. That's exactly why a bunch of people are coming to this platform, bro. It's simply better than any other launchpad. Now here's how it works on this platform, because you might be a bit confused. You have two different ways to go about it, and it's up to you to, pick your method. Now the first method is to start a coin from scratch. Now go on X and look for a narrative to make a meme coin based out of. It could be literally anything that's viral, that's funny. I don't even know. Like this. This right here is a perfect example because the fucking bot is cooking in his house for him, and the Neo bot is actually going viral on the internet right now. So for example, that's a good narrative. Now come back to Create Tokens.io, invent a name for your meme coin, add a quick symbol, then take a screenshot of anything and just put it right here, and just like that, your meme coin is custom created. But the second method, bro, it's my favorite one by far, because it's the shortcut that I use the most, and it's the most profitable right now in 2025, and that's by copying trending coins right now. Now all these coins right here are already moving on Pump.Fun, which means they're going viral and they're attracting a bunch of buyers. You just have to copy one and it will launch instantly to Raydium. And because they already have traffic, you will get instant buyers and quicker flips right out the gate. Copying coins, bro, on this website is a fucking cheat code. I would do a quick example for you guys. Alright, like I said, let's put it all into action. I'm going to dev a coin right now so you can see exactly how easy it is to do it from start to finish. So first of all, I just connected my Phantom wallet to the website because that's common sense. Then click on refresh list, and now we have all the new fresh coins. I'm going to look for a coin to copy, and you know what? I'm going to go with the short coin. It has a last buy 20 seconds ago, which is not bad, and a $22.4 thousand market cap. So click on create coin, Then ignore the block from Phantom, just go through it, so proceed, confirm, I understand right here, confirm, and then the coin should be created shortly. Let's fucking go. Boom! If I go on SoScan for proof, you guys can see that 10 seconds ago it was created, which means the website is legit and it works. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our meme coin. Now this page is fucking simple. We're adding liquidity into our coin. That's what makes your coin tradable on Raydium, so buyers can instantly jump in your coin and trade it right away. So there's two steps. Token A. Click on 90%, that's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the coin right under for the amount token B. This part's important because it's your first buy into your own coin, so you are not losing anything. That SOL gets locked up for the market and the minimum is 0.3 SOL. But it's not locked up actually, because once you remove the liquidity later, that SOL goes straight back to you, back inside your Phantom wallet, so we have nothing to lose. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more than the minimum to be safe, and then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that is done, click on the refresh button, then scroll down and boom, the short coin is now live. Our profits are at $0. And if you click on the refresh button for a second time to refresh your profits, now we're up $168 because we are now getting buyers live on camera right now on our coin. Now click on view on Photon to see your chart, or you can go on Axiom if you want. Let me go on full screen to see the official coin. Oh my god, we're getting buys in already. Let's fucking go. We're already getting buys, bro. Let's fucking go. 1.5k market cap, 1k liquidity. Things are looking insane. Now the chart might look a bit weird, but after a couple minutes it is going to stabilize and go higher and higher because more and more people are going to start viewing the coin on Memescope and they are going to fucking enter in. You guys will see after a couple seconds how fucking huge it's going to explode. Right now we are just looking for one big buy to fucking change the whole trajectory. Oh my god, bro! We just got the fucking big buy! Okay, let's dump this coin right now. Fuck it. Come on, bro. Come on. Let's go, $100 right here. Let's fucking go. 2k market cap, 1.2k liquidity, bro. This is the power of create tokens.io. Bro, oh my fucking god, let's fucking go. By the way, bro, if you have any questions about anything, just follow me on fucking X and DM me at Jay.crypto on X. Let's go. Pump. I'm going to be right back after a couple seconds. Okay guys, I am back and we are actually doing kinda well. We are pushing $5,000 in market cap and 2k in liquidity. Now the volume is good and is really bullish. It is doing higher highs, higher lows. It just broke out this all-time high right here, so that's a good sign that it's gonna go higher. Anyways, we are going to make some money, so come back to create tokens.io and then make sure you click on the refresh button first of all before doing anything. And now as you guys can see, I am up $1,500 with a, oh, it just shot down, that's why, with a 3.8k market cap. So click on the minus button right here, do 100% to remove everything, click on the red button to cash out the money. And as you guys can see, I'm going to receive 9 SOL, click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some bread. Obviously, all for educational purposes only. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom, $1.54 straight inside my Phantom wallet, and it's all legit. Even though SOL took a dip in the market, we are still making money. The method still works. And by the way, bro, if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address down below, and join my Telegram group down below for free for all the instructions. And yeah, bro, peace out.